Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be guiding you through QHuman version 2.03 and its brilliant new simple AI detection mode. This handy feature can help automate tasks and tidy up your workflow. So let's jump straight in. Before we begin, let's have a quick peek at the interface. QHuman has three main tabs. Main, your starting point for detections. Saves, where you'll store and load your command sets. Logs, a detailed record of everything happening behind the scenes. We'll be paying special attention to the commands section, where you can add or remove commands and tweak their values. Things like runtime priority and conditions, and the property inspector, where you can adjust each command's finer details. Today, I'll show you how to set up commands to play piano tiles. A friendly reminder, this is just a demonstration, and you should always check your game's guidelines. Right. Let's get started by creating a new command. Click on Add Command. You'll notice two types. Standard command, which is perfect for actions like clicking and typing. Detection command, ideal for spotting images and pixels. You'll also see priority and conditional type options. Priority sets the order in which commands are run. Higher numbers go first. Conditional type decides if commands run purely on priority or if something needs to trigger them first. We'll start by adding a detection command with a priority of 20, and we'll keep it non-conditional. After you select it, the property inspector shows its settings. Under detection mode, pick the Color tab. Click Add Color and choose a pure black hue. By dragging the slider right down, then click OK. Give it a unique name. I'll call mine Block Color. Adjust the saturation range and value range to 0 to 10. This allows a bit of wiggle room, since the block shade might not be perfectly black. Next, choose which monitor to use. I'm selecting Monitor 1. If you're unsure, check your monitors in Windows or use Preview Capture Area. We need to narrow down the capture region to just the falling blocks. Click Preview Capture Area, then Capture Preview to see what's currently caught on screen. Since the background is also black, we need to zero in. Move your mouse to the top left corner of your desired capture zone and press Ctrl plus Shift plus L. Then move to the bottom right corner and press Ctrl plus Shift plus R. Press Capture Preview again and voila! A neat custom region focusing only on the blocks. This makes detection quicker and more accurate. Select Set Custom Region, tick Custom Detection Area, and use Preview Detection Results to confirm we're catching the right blocks. Brilliant! We're detecting properly now. Finally, under Detection Results, change the action type drop-down to Perform. We've only one command at the moment, so let's add another. Click Add Command again, and this time pick a standard command with a priority of 10, making it conditional. In the Property Inspector, hit Add Action. Set input type to click and keep the button as left. No need to specify the position since we'll override it with the detection results. In the Actions table, find Use Override Position and tick it. This ensures we'll click exactly where the detected block is. Next, move to the Hold column, just beside Use Override Position, and set the value to 0.1. This adds a short delay before each click, allowing the website or application to register the click properly. In the next command section, tick the box next to command 0, so that after this conditional command runs, it loops back to the detection command. Now return to the detection command's detection results. You'll spot command 1 listed, tick it to link them together. Once the detection succeeds, it'll run that conditional command. Under On Failed, set action type to retry, and leave the timeout at 10 seconds. If it doesn't find what it's looking for, it'll have another go. It's good practice to save your commands just in case. Highlight both commands, right-click and select Save, or press Ctrl plus S. Give it a name and it'll pop up in the Saves tab. Time to see it in action. Head back to the main tab and click Start Detection. Watch as the app identifies the block and clicks at the right moment, effortlessly playing piano tiles for you. And there you have it, lovelies. You've just set up a simple detection system in QHuman's simple AI detection mode. If you have any questions or fancy joining our community, our Discord link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more fab tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.